Welcome to EZ Eatery. My name is Angela, and today we're going to make a taco salad, and we're going to use our air fryer to make this. Look at this taco shell. Seriously, it took us only minutes to make in the air fryer. I cannot wait to show you this. It's super exciting. So welcome in. Let's go get started. I'm going to use my Ninja Foodi for this one. So we're going to just go ahead and turn it on the saute function. You can use your stovetop. Add in 1 pound of ground beef, some onions, my favorite Susie Q, and just go ahead and mix it all together. And then I added in a little bit of garlic, and I just continued to brown that up, and then I drained it, and then I added just a little bit of taco seasoning to it. Let's get started on our taco shell. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and put this on an aluminum foil, piece of aluminum foil, and I'm going to spray both sides down with some oil. And I took a little ramekin here. I wish my shells were a little bit bigger, but we're going to make this one work anyway. So I just put that in the center, and I'm going to try and form that to where it looks like a taco bowl, like you see in the fancy restaurants. We're going to make that. We're going to try to make that. I mean, it's doable. We can do this. So we just kind of tuck those edges in there and try and make it look all pretty, like kind of clammy looking, and then we just fold it up and then we put it into our air fryer. So I'm using my Ninja Foodi, of course, and we're just going to go ahead and put that lid down there and turn it on to 350 degrees, and it only takes about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, carefully remove that bowl from it. It's going to be extremely hot. And then we're going to take the aluminum foil off. So I'm just going to take the whole thing out and just toss that shell back in there. Now, I put mine in for an additional 2 minutes, but you guys, I'm telling you, you really only need 1 more minute, because look what happened to my shell. It kind of got a little bit on the toasty side. But you know what? That is okay with me, because I like it when things get a little bit burnt. Check it out. Not bad, huh? So while that was over there cooking, I chopped up some lettuce, some tomatoes, some cheese, and some cilantro. Now you can use anything that you like, but I'm just going to keep it kind of simple. So I'm going to start off with some lettuce, and then I'm going to add in my seasoned ground beef, and add in my shredded cheddar cheese, and my tomatoes. I just cut some grape tomatoes in half, and I just put those in there. And then I topped it with some sour cream and some salsa. The sour cream was being a little pain in the butt, but I got it to come out. It doesn't look the prettiest, but that's okay. Highly recommend this guacamole salsa from Herdez. It is so amazing. I'm telling you, it has like the best flavors, has a little bit of a kick, but it is amazing, like literally on anything. And last but not least, our cilantro. Totally optional. A lot of people don't like it, but I happen to love it. And of course, here is my favorite part. I wanted to show you the shell here. It's overly crunchy. I left it in there like a minute too long, but it's so good. Alrighty. Try and get a little bit of everything in here. It won't stick to my fork. It's not a very big bite, but first one's for you. There you go. Take a bite. This is so good. I'm telling you, delicious. Make sure you get that salsa, because it makes a world of difference. It has a little bit of a kick to it, but not too bad at all. And I mean, who doesn't like taco salad? Anyway, you can substitute it too with beans, with chicken, or whatever it is that you like to put in your taco salad. Add some avocado to it. I mean, basically you can do anything like to it. Anyway, just wanted to show you how to make the shell. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And please give the video a thumbs up. That would make my heart so happy. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye now. I'm going to go grab a cerveza. Enjoy my taco salad.